You are welcome to this class and thank you for joining us. Here we want to find the value of A, B, and C in this system of equation. And let's label this as equation 1, this as 2, and this as equation 3. So now let's subtract equation 2 from 1. So we'll say 1 minus 2. And on the left hand side, we have equation 1, that's A plus B. Then minus equation 2 on the left hand side, that's minus B plus C. So we need to use bracket because we are subtracting. Then equals to, on the right hand side, we have A, B, C. Then minus A, B, C. So from here, when we use this negative to open this bracket here, we have A plus B, then minus B minus C will be equals to, this side will be 0. Then from there, we have what is left will be A minus C, because plus B minus B will cancel out. So we have A minus C equals to 0. Then take minus C to this side. We are going to have A equals to C. So we have A equals to C from here. Also, let's check what we have in when we subtract equation 3 from equation 2. So subtract equation 3 from equation 2. We now say we have equation 2 minus 3. So the left hand side on equation 2, we have B plus C. Then minus the left hand side in equation 3, we have minus into bracket C plus A. Then we have right hand side, that's ABC minus ABC. So we have already subtracted this from each other, the equation 3 from equation 2. So therefore, when we open this bracket as well with the minus, we have B plus C minus C minus A will be equals to 0 on this side. Then plus C minus C becomes 0. So we have B minus A equals to 0. Also, when we take minus A here, that will be A. So we can say that A is equals to B as well. So A is equals to B as well. Now we have that A is equals to C. And A is also equals to what? B. So we can write this and say it is now A equals to B, which is also equals to C. So we have this. The three values are equal. Now from equation 1, let's take equation 1 now. We have A equals to B and equals to C now. Then from equation 1, we have that A plus B is equals to ABC. And since A is equals to B and is equals to C, you can replace B now and say this is A plus A equals to, this is A times A times A. Since all the letters are equal and we can add this, we have 2A and A times A times A, that's A raised to power 3. We can take this A raised to power 3, or let's take 2A to that side, so that this side will remain 0. We now have A raised to power 3, then minus 2A equals to 0. So when we solve this now, from here, we can factor A out. A will be into bracket A square minus 2 equals to 0. Now we have two cases here. We have A equals to 0, or we have A square minus 2 equals to 0. And when we solve this, we can take minus 2 to that side. We have A square equals to 2 now. Then to get, the value of A we desire to find here, we can take the square root on both sides. Then we now have A equals to plus or minus square root of 2. So the values of A we have, the first one we have A equals 0. The second one we have A equals to root 2. And the third one we have A equals to minus root 2. Now, we can check to see whether this solution satisfies the equation. Now, for a equals to 0, when we put the value of, a to be equal to 0, don't forget that a is equals to b and is equals to c. That means this will be 0 plus b also will be 0. Then on this side is 0 times 0 times 0, this 0. So we have 0 on this side, which is equal to 0. That means 0 is a solution. 0 there is a solution. Then we can put root 2 as well. When we put root 2 here, so root 2 plus root 2, that will give us 2 root 2. So we have 2 root 2 on this side. When we add root 2 plus root 2, and we have root 2 times root 2. Root 2 times root 2 is 2, of course. Then times root 2 again, that's also 2 root 2. So root 2 is also a solution. And the same way, minus root 2. And therefore, the value of a, b, and c are, we have 0, then plus root 2, and then minus root 2. So we have this solution, which could be a, b, and c. And we have come to the end of the class. We say thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you in the next class, and bye for now.